Y'all, these Kickapoo Crunch oatmeal chocolate bars were made somewhere in the United States by lunch ladies for hungry kids. I've never heard of these before. Have you? I'm making them today. Are you ready? Let's go. Prepare a 9x13 pan. I'm going to go ahead and spray it with this, but I'm also going to put a piece of parchment paper in the bottom because these are bars and I want to lift the bars out before I cut them. I don't want to cut them in the pan. So if you spray your pan or put some water in it before you put this down there, this will stick to it better. And then preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Somebody said that they couldn't see what I was putting into my bowls, so I got some clear bowls. I was gonna get some glass ones, but I got plenty of glass Pyrex, and it's heavy. So I decided to get plastic. Recipe calls for 1 cup of shortening, so I'm gonna use 1 cup of shortening. If you don't like shortening, why are you still here? Keep in mind that this is an old lunch lady recipe, and back in the day, they used shortening. So I'm gonna use shortening. I guess you could use butter if you wanted to use butter. Substitute whatever you want. 1 cup of packed brown sugar. What are you boys doing? 1 cup of granulated sugar. It says to cream those together until light and fluffy. Add in 1 cup of peanut butter. I'm going to use creamy. And it says mix in the peanut butter until fully blended. Add in 2 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then mix those together real well, it says. Like that, and then set it aside. In a small bowl, you need 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix those together, and it says to add to the batter, and then mix it up and just till it's combined. The batter is very, very soft, the way it's supposed to be. Add in 1 cup of milk. Mix gently until incorporated. So because it says gently, I'm not going to use the mixer. I'm just going to use this spatula. And by the way, anything that I'm using here in my kitchen, you can find those in my Amazon and Walmart storefronts. And those are located in the video description. 3 cups of rolled oats. Old-fashioned rolled oats, 3 cups. It says stir in the rolled oats, the batter will be loose and thick. I have never ever heard of Kickapoo Crunch. Have you? But somewhere in these United States in the 70s, 80s, or 90s, somewhere, some lunch lady was making these for school kids. Spread the batter evenly into the prepared pan. Okay, it says to bake 22 to 25 minutes. Do not overbake. The center should look slightly underdone. Okay. It says while the bars are baking, I need to make the glaze to go on top. So I need 2 tablespoons of butter, and I'm just going to use this soft butter that's been sitting on my counter. 2 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, but I'm going to add more because that's how I roll. So maybe 1.5 cups. 2 tablespoons of milk. It says melt over low heat, stirring constantly until smooth. Y'all, these bars are not done. Look how jiggly those are. Nope, those are not done. I'm gonna leave them in there another 5 or 6 minutes. All right, this is all done. I'm gonna put it back on the stove and keep it hot because those bars still are not done. They're jiggly, so they're not done. Full disclosure, mine were in there for 35 minutes because every time I went like this, it would jiggle on the edges. Now the middle is underdone like the instructions say. So I have to cool this for 10 minutes until it's warm but not hot, and then pour the warm chocolate glaze over the bars. Okay, they're warm, but they're not hot, and I'll go ahead and pour this chocolate over the top, like it says. By the way, I love this little pan. It's really heavy, and it's called Viking, and I have it in my Amazon storefront if you want to take a look at it. All right. Use my offset spatula. Okay, now I have to cool completely before I can cut these. Okay, I'm about to see what all the fuss is about. It's very, very moist, and it's got that thin layer of chocolate on the top. That is really, really good. I thought they would taste like those Lunch Lady peanut butter bars, but they don't. It's a completely different taste because of the oatmeal in those. Oh my goodness, Kickapoo Crunch, you did not disappoint. You guys have to make that. Yum! Make that. As always, you can find the full recipe pinned in the comments or in the video description.